If you want to check whether or not a battery is flat, but you don't have a multimeter, you can use what's called the bounce test. Now all you have to do for this is you grab one of the batteries, you hold it flat side down, and then you drop it. If it lands like that, with no bounce, it often stays standing, then usually it's full. However, if you drop it and it bounces, like that, then this will usually indicate that the battery is flat. And the reason this works is that inside of the battery, zinc particles are suspended in a jelly. As the battery is discharged, the jelly is converted to a ceramic. Now anyone who's dropped jelly will know that jelly doesn't bounce, but ceramic does, hence why this works. This effect can be more easily seen when we slow the video down. You can very clearly see the empty battery bouncing, while the full one doesn't have any upward movement and stays standing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. And for more great content, please consider subscribing.